how's it going, guys? I wanted to make this quick video on this really cool travel humidor. Now, first off, I wanted to mention the construction of this humidor or travel humidor. Now, this travel humidor is definitely very beefy and well constructed. It's very strong, very stiff, but it also has some foam to it. So at the same time, it's very soft and easy to hold, but very, very rigid. Second, I wanted to mention the accessories. This thing comes packed with accessories and they're definitely high quality. So first, let's talk about the microfiber cloth that it comes with. This is definitely a bonus. I don't know why it was included, but I can always use one of these cloths. Second, let's talk about this ashtray. It's definitely really nice. It's a ceramic ashtray. It's really nice with a little bit of gold kind of inlay all the way around. Very nice addition to the accessories, but we're still not done. So this also comes with not one, but two cigar cutters. Now these are in the guillotine style, and I did believe that these were going to be kind of cheap because of the plastic nature of them, but they definitely got points back in the thickness of the blade. So normally when you have plastic cigar cutters, they tend to be kind of flimsy, but the fact that the metal that was included, or the stainless steel, was actually pretty thick, and for that reason, it actually feels pretty good. And it comes with two. We're still not done. It also comes with a cleaner. So this has two sides. We have a small little brush on one side, and then we have kind of what looks like a dust picker upper or something, but it's supposed to be a cleaner. We have a little water dropper for the humidor, a how-to. So like I said earlier, this travel humidor is really well constructed. Everything in the inside is very high quality cedar wood, and I can definitely tell that it's high quality because of the smell. Normally when you have cedar wood that's not that high of a quality, it definitely doesn't smell. This, as soon as you open it, you can definitely smell the cedar wood, which is a plus. I actually really like the fact that you can remove this bottom tray. Again, cedar wood, high quality raw cedar wood, which is very good. Everything in the inside is inlaid with cedar wood as well, and very thick. Overall, it's a great travel humidor. Here we have the humidifier, which comes with a little foam, and then this is the foam that's going to soak up all that water, or the distilled water, which you're going to pick up with this. And so overall, this is a great option if you're looking for a travel humidor, a good high quality travel humidor that's really going to protect your cigars. This is definitely the one. I like how it has a removable humidifier, which is always a plus. And finally, all the included accessories is definitely always appreciated. I actually highly recommend this travel humidor set for anyone looking for something high quality, but also with a great selection of accessories.